This yin yoga full body stretch is perfect when you want something that's going to be fast and effective and stretch you from head to toe to relieve any stress, tension, and tightness. So join me in tabletop. We'll begin with a couple cat-cows. Allow your breath to guide you into the movement. Use long, deep breathing. Bringing the spine to neutral and gently push back into child's pose. And check with your body if you want the knees very wide or if you want the knees closer together. Gently press the forehead into the earth beneath you. Extend your arms out. Maybe the elbows are lifted. Maybe they're calling to be resting on the ground. Listen to your body intuition. Release into the pose with long, deep breathing. On the next inhale, gently walk your hands to an upright spine. Stay seated on your heels and take your neck, and if it's in your practice today, to bow the head forward and to move into this neck rotation. Go ahead and enjoy that. If it's not in your practice today, and maybe it's more comfortable to take the head inhaling to the left and then exhaling to the right. So listen to your body intuition. Move mindfully. And moving with the breath very gently. And if you're doing the neck rotations, the next time you come to center, take it the opposite way. And if you're doing the neck rotations, and wherever you are, bring the head gently to center. Release your legs out in front of you. Moving into caterpillar. Relax the feet with a straight spine. Take a deep inhale. And on the exhale, tuck the chin into the chest, coming forward mindfully and very gently. And once you reach your point of resistance, relax into the pose, allowing your breath to bring you deeper into the pose. And welcoming in that prana, that healing energy, to wherever any tightness is, stiffness, tension. Let the breath guide you. On the next inhale, roll up one vertebrae at a time, coming to a straight spine. And then bringing the soles of the feet together, anchoring your sit bones into the ground, the earth beneath you. Take a deep inhale with a straight back, close down your eyes, and gently come forward by tucking the chin into the chest, folding from the hips. Relax into the pose. Enjoy the connection to the breath with the long, deep breathing. Allowing gravity to support you. On the next inhale, roll up one vertebrae at a time. Bring the knees together. And gently open the right knee to the ground, extending the left leg out in front of you. Anchor the sit bones, relax the left foot. Inhale the arms into prayer pose in the hands. Tuck your chin into your chest. And coming forward from the hips, bowing into the posture. When you come to the point of resistance, relax into the pose. Allow your breath to take you deeper. On the next inhale, roll up one vertebrae at a time, coming to a straight spine, extending both legs out in front of you. Bend the left knee, open it up towards the left side. Anchor the sit bones and bring the hands into prayer pose in front of the heart. Deep inhale. On the exhale, tuck the chin into the chest, bowing forward from the hips. Allow gravity to support you. Relax into the long, deep breathing. On the next inhale, coming up to a straight spine, one vertebrae at a time. Extend both legs out in front of you. And then gently bring the legs into a wide-legged V position. Toes are pointed high up to the heavens. Sit bones are anchored into the ground. With a deep inhale, tuck your chin into your chest. Come forward from the hips, bowing into the pose. When you reach your point of resistance, Relax into it. Use your breath to release any tightness and tension. On the next inhale, roll up one vertebrae at a time to a straight spine. Bring the legs together, shake them out. Hug the knees into your chest, giving yourself any love, peace, joy that you would like to embody now and for the rest of your day. And then releasing into easy pose or shavasana. It's your practice. And if you're meeting me in easy pose, take the hands into Gyan Mudra and close down the eyes and just become still for a moment. And if you're choosing to go into shavasana, give yourself as much time as you need. And if you're meeting me in the upright seated position to close down the practice in this short little meditation, just relax. Enjoy the gentle breathing. And as you sit here for a moment of stillness, put a smile on your face.